G'day guys, today we are here at the Cooler Master booth of Computex 2019 and we are here to check out some of their new and improved products. Firstly, I know you guys love case mods and that is what I'm here to show you guys. Cooler Master has on display this Dirt Rally themed custom PC which was used to actually power their racing simulator, which the public was able to have a go at on their booth. Now, I was talking to Cooler Master about 2 years ago and I said, you guys really need to bring out a white power supply. Now, they have gone ahead and they have done that. This made me very happy when I first saw this. So, Cooler Master does have a range of white power supplies coming to the market. And as you can see, it did capture a lot of attention at the show. One of their new power supply inventions is a fanless power supply which operates at 650 watts without a fan, or you can actually add your own fan in which will boost its power up to 1000 watts. The extra air in that increases its efficiency, so they have designed it so that you don't have to use a Cooler Master power supply fan if you don't want to. You can put your own fan inside. Cooler Master actually asked one of the Thailand modders, Modder Crow, to design this year's Case Mod World Series trophy. So the winner of the Case Mod World Series will be receiving this, and if you look closely, you'll see a bunch of old computer components which were used to create this case. Some really nice detailed work. You can see a mouse in there, you can see keyboard caps, fans, some nice glass etching which is lit up with the blue LEDs which surround this case. Some impressive work. Next we have the all-popular Cosmos C700P, now in black. They've also lightened the actual tint of the window of this case so you can see your components inside a lot better. Now they've listened to end users' feedback, and with the C700P, the original case, there wasn't as much mounting positions for hard drives and things like that. So they've gone ahead and added more hard drive bays down below so you guys will be able to add in more hard drives. And I think that this is a really good idea by Cooler Master, because for such a big case you would expect that many options, and I'm just happy that they bought a blackout edition. Now, for those of you who love the H series cases, specifically the H500M or H500P, they have pretty much taken a chunk of the H500P and converted it into a H100 case, which is a mini ITX. So you've got the goods and the looks of the H500 series case shrinked down into an ITX form factor. On display, we also have Cooler Master's new SFR ARGB series fans. Now, the good thing about these, I've never seen anything like this done, is that you can get the fans pre-configured in sets of 2, 3, or single fans. They all come joined together, and then you only have the one fan cable coming out, so it is reducing cable clutter in the system, making for clean cable management. Cooler Master also has their new performance fans, which are designed to compete with the likes of Noctua and all of those well-known performing fans. So this is Cooler Master's newest range. These are the SF120M fans, and you can expect those to perform really well and also have silent operation. And the good thing about these fans is they also look good as well. Cooler Master also has the MF120M ARGB fans, which are a nice, clean, sleek design, and you'll notice that the center of the fan doesn't actually rotate. Now, this is really good for customization, and Cooler Master are looking at ways to make this badge removable so that users can customize it and put their own logos or their own pictures or whatever they desire in the middle. Now, this was my favorite part of the show. You guys know I love my water cooling. Cooler Master are going to be bringing out their custom liquid cooling components. Here is a first look at a prototype reservoir. It actually has a vortex happening inside. Now, they will be doing some adjustments to this because the current vortex does make for a lot of air bubbles in the system. And I also did mention that they need to get rid of the design pattern on the reservoir itself and put one extra port up the top to make it easy to fill the system. Now, the fittings will become available as well, and frosted tubing. Cooler Master also have a range of AIO coolers, some with LED displays like you can see, temperature readout and things like that. They also have a dual pump design, which increases head pressure and everything like that. So the liquid goes around the system faster, getting rid of all of the heat a lot quicker. And this is a patent design. So what you see in the middle there is actually the pump impeller spinning around. No other company can do that. This pump also does come in the single pump version as well. Now, Cooler Master do a lot more than just PCs. This right here is a good concept to show what they actually do in the real world. Now, believe it or not, all of Tesla's electric charging stations are actually cooled by Cooler Master using similar methods to what you see right here. Cooler Master are also trying to broaden their audience. They want to keep the end user in mind. And so they've designed a chair which is more for comfort rather than gaming. So this chair is actually designed to support your back a lot more than your normal gaming chairs would. The actual design goes with the curvature of your back, so your back is fully supported. Now, when I first sat in this, I felt instant comfort. A lot of these gaming chairs provide these lumbar support pillows. However, this chair curves with the design of your back, which promotes a strong posture. And those lumbar cushions, well, let's be real, a lot of them are hard and they don't end up sitting in the right place anyway. Cooler Master also has a new gaming desk. This is more sleek design than what I have seen out there. And if you notice in the background, that is actually one of Cooler Master's monitors as well. Now, this is a sit-stand desk, so you can game while sitting down, or you could be standing up if you want to break from sitting down as well. Really good for blood flow, and it keeps you awake and alert. Anyway, guys, that is my wrap up from the Cooler Master booth 2019. Hope you all enjoyed. There was plenty of other products, but these are the ones that we did really find very interesting and that would cater to you guys. Hope you all enjoyed. Remember to subscribe and we'll see you guys in the next one.